Okay, in this one we are going to cover how to edit the fragrances, which is pretty darned easy. Just come down here to this Fragrances tab. And this is how we edit the master list of fragrances that shows up here on the Fragrances page. It also controls those that show up on the location pages, although you get to specify what happens there. But in any case, you can see the full list here. There are quite a few of them, obviously, so it looks like we've got 87 fragrances. It can be hard to find the right one you want. It just does them in order of how recently you added it. So if you come up here and you click on Title at the top, then it will sort them in alphabetical order and you can find the one that you want a lot easier. If you want to add a new fragrance, you just come right up here and say Add New. If you want to edit one that's already there, you just come right down here and you edit it. You just click on the name of it. And there it is. Basically, there's only 3 things to edit in any of these. There's the name of the fragrance, there's the description of the fragrance, and then there is the category that it belongs in. You can see that this one's in summer. If you needed to change that, you would just come right over here and you would just start typing, and it gives you the options that are already entered. So if it needs to move from one category to another, that's how you do it. You would just delete this one, hit that red X, and that would go away, and you can add it to the correct category right over here. That's pretty much all there is to it. If you come up and you need to add a new one, you would just come and hit Add New, and you're presented with a blank version of what we were just looking at. And so you would just need to give it a name, a description right here, and then again, you need to add it to the correct category. Here, I can show you how that works. We hit Add, we'd hit Publish. Then we come right over here to the Fragrances page, we'd hit Refresh. And we'll see that here under Summer we've added Fake Fragrance right there. Just that simple. Obviously we don't want that, so let's go back to Fragrances. And I guess I can show you now how to delete it. So you just come right over here, you hit Trash on it. Takes just a second, and then ta-da, we'll refresh this page, and it's gone again. So that is how we add fragrances or edit the fragrances. Just come to the Fragrances tab. They're all listed out. You can click on the title right here to alphabetize them so that you can find them easier, and then you just click on the name of it to edit the one that you want. That's it for fragrances.